All right, here's another Hoover that I acquired recently. This is a Hoover Convertible model U4387 from, I want to say, the early to mid 80s. This one I think is a later version, and I'll explain why in a minute. But this is one convertible that I've been after for a while, and I finally got one. It's a beautiful machine. I really like the bag and the color of it. It's just a very pretty machine. It'll need a little bit of cleaning here and there, but it's not in bad shape at all. There's the back. It's got a slider switch, which is standard on these later convertibles. It's got a headlight, of course. We'll show the bottom. So yeah, U4387. There's the serial number. It's a 5-amp machine. Now, the reason why I think it's a later one is these latches are different than on the older ones. I've seen U4387s that actually had the older style latches, and this is the newer style. The other thing I've noticed is this brush roll has no beater bars. I don't know if it's been replaced or if it's just how it is, original or not. This belt is definitely on its way out, but we'll see how much use we can get out of it with this belt. I don't have any spare belts right now. I could take one out of my other machines, but it's all right. I'll just order some new belts later. So we'll see what this can do with that belt. So without further ado, here is this U4387. For a belt that chewed up, it actually ran really well. The motor sounds great, and yeah, it agitated very well. It's a good machine, so I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.